Hi, Steve here from Property Hive. If you're using Property Hive as your CRM, one of the most important features to you is likely applicant matching. In Property Hive, this is possible and is part of the core free plugin. We can do matching in one of three ways. One is we can match a property to applicants. We can do an applicant to properties, or we can let it run automatically in the background and do it for us. Let's start with matching applicants to properties. If we go to Property Hive, Applicants, and click into an applicant, you'll notice if we go to their relationship, remember they can have multiple relationships, we'll click into the one we're interested in, and at the top right is a button, View Matching Properties. With that clicked, that will go off and find all properties that are suitable in terms of price, bedrooms, type, and location, and allow us to do a few things. We can, one, email the property to the applicant. If we had the SMS premium feature, we could send it to them in a text. Or if we know this property isn't suitable for them, we can mark it as not suitable. If you've already sent a property to an applicant, it will still show, but the email will be unticked. It will tell you when it was last sent. If a property has come off the market and then back on the market, or has had a price change, it will also show, but again, email will be ticked by default in that case. At the top here, we can bulk select all to email, all as not suitable, or untick them all. Once we've finished and we're ready to send, we'd have the ones ticked that we want to send. We can click continue, and that will take us through to a page where we can customize the contents of the email sent to Michael Ward before it's sent. So it's saying the email address. We can also CC and BCC people in. We can set who it's come from, so our name. We can set the from email address. We can set the subject and the body. The default subject and body can be customized in the settings area. And once we are happy to send, we recommend that you preview the email first. This will show you a preview, and the colors and logo and the contents can all be changed in the settings area. Once we're happy, we'll click Send Matches, and it will then be added to a queue to be sent shortly after. So that's doing it from the applicant side. Let's go into a property and do it from the property side instead. We'll go into the same property but do the opposite. So in a property on the right hand side, you'll see we've got actions. The top action is View Matching Applicants. And again, Michael Ward has come back because he matches on price and beds. And again, similarly, we have the option to email this to Michael, mark it as not suitable. And if we email, we can continue, and we go through to the same step as we had before, where we can customize the contents, preview the contents before it's actually sent. The last option, as mentioned, is automatic matching. So we wouldn't have this process of going through and ticking which ones we want to send, changing the content. We would let it just run in the background. To enable this, under Property Hive, Settings, Emails, there is a tick box here that says automatically send matching properties to applicants. And it's worth having a read of the little tooltip there about what exactly that means. So it's only going to do it for people going forward. It won't do past people that already exist or past properties that exist. With that enabled, properties will get sent automatically. Let's save that. What you'll notice on a property record now as well, now that's ticked, is under relationships, is you can disable auto match for certain people. When a match is sent, we can see in the history and notes that it was sent. It will tell you how many properties were included, when it was sent, who it was sent by, if it's queued, sent or failed, and also the ability to view the email that was actually physically sent.